it in the aquarium.
Well, put it in quick. Try not to drop the next one on the floor, okay? Just gonna catch them with your hands or use the ice scoop?
I'm just gonna use the ice scoop.
Okay.
I'm gonna get my shirt wet.
Oh yeah, that'd be bad.
It's like a real big one. I got the real big one.
Okay, put it in the aquarium.
It's a real big one. It's a real big one. I got a real big one this time. I got a real big one this time.
fish in the lake being dropped on the floor, Theo. Come on.
Come on, you put it in the...
I got a real big one this
Okay,
time.
put them in the aquarium.
I got a real big one this time. I got a real big one this time.
Okay, put it in the aquarium.
He's dying. Starting to flop around and stuff. And this one. And he's just flopping around and stuff. Okay, an aquarium. Bye-bye, fishy. Bye-bye, fishy.
Where you going, Hardy? You gonna come to Mom? Come here.